Right, so today's video, we're going to be unboxing my dad's brand new brakes. He's recently upgraded his rears, which look very tasty, but at the moment his fronts, which he cooked the other day, you can sort of see some blue lines. They're sort of fading now, but he's got some brand new EBC brakes to go on those massive 345mm discs. Some lovely little S-line brakes going on over there. Yeah, look, here's his Audi Q5 3-litre twin-turbo TDI with 398 horsepower and 700 foot-pounds of torque in a four-wheel drive SUV. You can't really argue with that. Looking very lovely. Nürburgring number plate holders. There we go, and some nice 3D gel plates.
Hold me close till I get up.
Here we go. So what EBC pads have you gone for? Yellow stuff pads. Okay, lovely. Crack them open. Look at the absolute weapon. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at them. They are meaty. EBC yellow stuff pads. Gotta love another box in a box. Massive 20-inch wheels. Look at these. Absolutely humongous. Got the cheeky hatchbacks in the background. Oh, look at them. God, they're massive. Look at the size of them. Like, that's my shoe. I'm a, what, a 7? Oh, I'm an 8. Look at that, that's massive. That is huge. Wait, hold it like against your wheel, like just to give reference. So they're the rear discs, and that's the, look how massive they are. That is huge. They look great. Just look at these yellow stuff pads. Oh god, they're weighty actually. I didn't realise they were going to be so heavy. Why are they like got all these like grooves in already? What's this all about?
Oh, that's pre-bedding in. So the red layer helps to bed the disc in quicker.
Oh, okay.
So that you can almost use them hard straight out of the box.
Oh, so they won't like glaze over immediately or anything. Ah, very nice. So my next plan as well for this car is I want to do a full walk around video and sort of review of the car. I'll probably get my dad involved. But yeah, so I'm gonna do a full review of this car, sort of all the things it comes with, what sort of spec it is, what sort of options it's got. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing this sort of car being reviewed and a walk around and just to show how fast it is, like for an SUV, it absolutely shifts. So if you want to see that video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.